Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Google Sheets to Lovable. To get started, open Lovable and go to the main dashboard, which is the home area of the platform. This is where you can access your workspace and manage different tools and integrations. Before you begin, it helps to make sure you're already signed in and have your Google account ready, since you may be prompted to authorize access during the connection process. Once you're on the Lovable dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu. In that sidebar, click on Connectors. This section is where Lovable organizes integrations with external services, including tools like Google Sheets. If you don't immediately see what you need on the main screen, don't worry. The Connectors area is designed to help you quickly find and set up the service you want to link. After opening Connectors, find the search field and type in Google Sheets. Searching is the fastest way to narrow down the available connector options, especially if your workspace supports several integrations. As you type, the results should update and show the Google Sheets connector. When you see Google Sheets in the results, click on it to open the Connector Details page. This page usually provides the option to begin connecting your account and may also include additional information about what the integration can do. Taking a moment here can help you confirm that you're selecting the correct connector before moving forward. Next, click on Add Connection. After that, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the setup. This part typically includes signing into your Google account, reviewing the requested permissions, and approving access so Lovable can work with your Google Sheets data. Be sure to read each prompt carefully so you understand what access is being granted. If you manage multiple Google accounts, double-check that you choose the correct one before confirming. Once the authorization is complete, your Google Sheets connection should be added to Lovable. If the setup doesn't finish right away, give it a moment and watch for any confirmation message on screen. If needed, you can also revisit the connector page to verify that the connection was created successfully. That's all it takes to connect Google Sheets to Lovable. Following these steps carefully will help ensure a smooth setup and make it easier to start using your spreadsheet data inside Lovable right away.